Hi friends, sorry I'm not in class today. I had an appointment and that means that you get to watch the video today for your math lesson. Now today we're working on a math review, so you know how to do everything that's on your math review, but we're going to just review it before you can review it. So I'm going to walk you through the ones that might be a little bit more challenging for you. The first one that might be challenging is number 4, because it asks you to choose the ones that have you adding 0. If I have a domino, and my domino shows 1 dot here, and 4 dots on this side, that would be like saying 1 plus 4. Am I adding 0? No, I'm not adding 0. I'm adding 1 and 4. So when it asks you to choose the one that shows adding 0, that's not going to be it. What about now? This time I have 0 on this side and 4 on this side. Which one, is this adding 0? Yes, it is adding 0. I've added 0 to 4. What is 0 plus 4? That's right, 0 plus 4 equals 4. Good job. So now we know that when it asks for the ones adding 0, there needs to be a 0 in the equation. What about those abracadabra please facts or our turnaround facts? If it's asking for something like 4 plus 6 equals 10, and it wants you to find the one that matches that equation, that means it wants the one that's the related fact. So if I have 4 plus 6 equals 10, what's the other way I could write that equation? That's right, I can write it 6 plus 4 equals 10. That would be like me having 4 yellow blocks and 6 red blocks. When I start, When I start, I have 4 plus 6. That equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I say, abracadabra, please. And all of a sudden I have 6 plus 4. It still equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. So don't let it trick you when it asks you for the addition sentence that is the same. All it's talking about is the abracadabra fact. How can you turn the equation around? Now, another part that we have to work on is the part that is part whole. Remember, that's our mystery number. So in my mystery number, if I have 1 on this side, a mystery number on this side, and I know that there's 3 total, how do we figure that out? Well, let's say there's 1 cupcake here, and we know that there's 3 cupcakes on the entire table. Well, to figure that out, I would say 1, 2, 3. That would be having 1, 2, 3 cupcakes on the table. How many do I have on that mystery side? That's right, I have 2. So to solve that equation, I would say 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now, one more part. It asks you to write all of the addition equations to make the number 7. And it's given you the dominoes to do it. Well, we learned it the way with our connecting cubes and how we had 7 connecting cubes. And when we first started, we had 7. And if I don't take any away, that would be, if I don't add any more, that would be 0. And 7 plus 0 is 7. Then I said, well, let's break off one part of this. I still have 7. I can push them together. But now I have 2 different numbers. I have 6 and 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So that domino will have 6 dots on one side, 1 dot on the other. This domino will have 7 dots on one side, whoops, and 0 dots on the other. But wait a minute, what about that abracadabra fact? That's right, I could have a domino that has 1 dot on this side and 6 dots on this side. It's still going to equal 7. I still want to record that domino to show how I figured that out. Will 7 plus 0 have a different way to record it? Absolutely, because that's an abracadabra fact too. I can turn these around and show 0 plus 7. Now there's lots more, right? I can take off 2 and figure out how much I have to make 7. I can take off 3 and figure out how much I have to make 7. So that's the domino activity. The rest of it, draw your circles, do the addition problems. You guys are doing fantastic at it. We will go over it next week when if anybody had any problems. All right, do good work.